Have you ever clicked an agree button, typed your name into a digital form, or used an electronic signature to finalize an important document? In our increasingly digital world, these actions are commonplace. But have you ever stopped to wonder if these virtual agreements carry the same legal weight as their paper counterparts? The direct answer is no. Digital contracts cannot always be enforced. However, they are generally as enforceable as traditional paper contracts, provided certain legal requirements are met. The key lies in understanding these specific conditions that give them legal validity. The enforceability of any contract, digital or otherwise, hinges on 5 fundamental elements: offer, acceptance, consideration, legal capacity, and legality. An offer must be clearly made, and there must be clear acceptance of that offer. Consideration means something of value is exchanged between the parties. Both parties must have the legal capacity to enter into an agreement, meaning they are of sound mind and legal age, and the contract's purpose must be legal. In the digital realm, technologies like electronic signatures, click wrap agreements, where you click an I agree button, and browse wrap agreements, where using a website implies agreement, all aim to fulfill these foundational requirements. To help ensure a digital contract is enforceable, there are practical steps you can take. First, make sure the terms and conditions are clear, conspicuous, and easily accessible to all parties before they agree. Second, obtain explicit consent through actions like a clear click of an I agree button, rather than relying solely on implied consent. Finally, maintain thorough records of the agreement process, including timestamps, IP addresses, and copies of the agreed-upon terms. These records are vital evidence if a dispute arises. A significant boost to the enforceability of digital contracts comes from specific legislation like the Electronic Signatures in Global and National Commerce Act, often called the ESIGN Act in the United States, and the Uniform Electronic Transactions Act, or UETA, adopted by most U.S. states. These laws establish that electronic signatures and contracts hold the same legal validity as their paper equivalents, as long as certain conditions, such as intent to sign and association of the signature with the record, are met. This legal framework helps ensure that digital agreements are not dismissed simply because of their electronic form. By understanding the essential components of contract formation, the methods of digital assent, and the supporting legal frameworks, you can confidently navigate the landscape of digital agreements. This knowledge helps you protect your interests and ensures that your online interactions are built on a solid legal foundation, fostering trust and reliability in all your digital dealings.